Good afternoon, everybody. So it's not Friday, but it's Thursday. And it's rainy, so there's no really going outside, and it's windy, and it's one of those April days where we wonder, where did spring go? So I have time for a short flow today, about 30 minutes. So let's get started. So let's come into a tabletop position. Inhale, gazing up, and exhale, looking down. Inhale as we gaze up, and exhale, looking down. You're going to take your right foot between your hands, so coming into your low runner's lunge. And inhale, bring the arms up. Exhale, sinking into that left hip. Maybe bring that right arm back behind, grabbing hold of the hamstring on your left side. Gazing up, deep stretch. And your palms come down, straightening that right leg. So very gentle here because you're not warmed up. Bending the right knee and bringing the leg back, taking your left foot between your hands and inhaling up and exhale, sinking into the right leg. Inhaling here. Exhale, maybe taking the left hand to the right hamstring and bending here. And both palms come down, straighten the left leg, folding over. Bending the left knee and bringing the left knee back to meet the right. Inhale as you gaze up. Exhale, tucking the toes under, coming into a downward facing dog and pedaling the legs out. On an inhale, bring the right leg up and then you open the hip, making some hip circles in one direction and reversing the direction. Taking that right leg straight back behind you, inhaling here. Exhale, bring your knee to your nose. Inhaling back up. Exhale, knee to nose, engaging the core. Inhale, back up. Exhale, bring your right foot between your hand and then following your left foot between your fingers. Inhaling halfway up and exhale, forward fold. Inhale as you bring the arms all the way up overhead. And exhale, folding forward. Inhale, halfway up. And exhale, walking back to your plank pose. Inhaling in plank. And exhale, knees, chest, chin, or chaturanga. Inhale to baby cobra or upward dog. And exhale, back to a downward facing dog. Inhale as that left leg comes up, bend the knee, open the hip. And making some hip circles in one direction. And then reversing the direction. And bring that left leg straight back behind you, inhaling here. Exhale, bringing your knee to your nose. And inhaling back out. Exhale, knee to nose. And inhaling back out. Exhale, putting your foot between your hand and bring your right foot to meet the left. Inhaling up and exhale, folding forward. Inhale your arms all the way up overhead. And exhale, folding forward. Inhale, halfway up. And exhale, coming back to your plank pose. Inhaling in plank. Exhale, chaturanga, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra, upward dog. And exhale, back to your downward facing dog. Breathing in through your nose. And sighing out through your mouth. On inhale, that right leg comes up. Exhale, the right foot between your hands, warrior one. Inhaling here, exhale, open to a warrior two. Inhale to reverse the warrior. Exhale, straightening the right leg, coming into a triangle pose. Inhaling here. Exhale, coming back to a warrior two. Inhale, reverse the warrior. Exhale, straightening the right leg, back to a triangle pose. Do this one more time. Inhaling here. Exhale, back to a warrior two. Inhale, reverse the warrior. Exhale, coming back to a triangle pose. Inhaling here. Exhale, left palm comes down, folding over the right leg for pyramid. Bending the right knee, coming back to a three-legged down dog. Inhale, forward three-legged plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale as the left leg comes up. And exhale, bring your left foot between your hands, warrior one. Inhaling here, exhale, open warrior two. Inhale, reverse the warrior. And exhale, straightening the left leg, triangle pose. Inhaling, coming back to a warrior two and exhaling here. Inhale, reverse the warrior. And exhale back to a triangle pose. Inhaling here. Exhale back to a warrior two. Inhale, reverse the warrior. And exhale back to a triangle pose. Inhaling here. Exhale, folding over that left leg, pyramid pose. Bending the left knee, coming back to a three-legged down dog. Inhale, forward three-legged plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Breathing in through the nose. And sighing out through the mouth. On an inhale, bringing that right leg up. Exhale, bringing your right foot between your hands, coming into your high lunge. Inhaling here, exhale, hands to heart center, twisting over to the right. Staying here, opening up the arms, or maybe taking a bind. Gazing over the right shoulder. Inhaling here, and exhaling. Inhaling. Exhale, opening up to a warrior two. Inhales, reverse the warrior. And exhale, coming into extended side angle. Maybe taking the bind on this side, gazing over your left shoulder. Inhaling here. And exhaling. Opening up the arms. Bring your left foot down to the inside of your right foot. Right foot comes to the edge of the mat. Staying here or coming down to your forearms for a lizard pose. Inhaling here and exhaling. Maybe coming out of it through your Ekapada Kundanyasana. Maybe a chin balance. And meeting back in downward facing dog. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Inhales, that left leg comes up. Exhale, left foot between the hands, high lunge. Inhaling here. Exhale, hands to heart center, twisting over to the left. Maybe coming into a bind. And gazing over that left shoulder. Inhaling here. And exhale, opening up to warrior two. Inhale to reverse the warrior. And exhale, extended side angle pose. Maybe coming into the bind, gazing over that right shoulder. Inhaling here. And exhaling. And opening up those arms. And bringing that right arm down to the inside of the left foot. Setting up for a lizard pose, maybe coming down to your forearms. Maybe rocking forward and back. To come out of it, maybe taking your Ekapada Kundanyasana again to a chin stand. And back to a chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Breathing in through the nose. And out through the mouth. On inhale, bringing that right leg up. Exhale, the right foot between the hands. Coming into your high lunge. Inhaling here. Exhale, bring your left arm underneath the right. Elbows away from the chest, so you take a back bend. Inhale. Exhale, tilting forward. Warrior three with eagle arms. Inhaling here. Exhale, slowly rising up, left leg over the right. Eagle pose. Inhaling. Exhale, folding forward, left leg comes back behind you. And your palms come down to a standing split. Inhales, your left hand comes to your hip, opening up to the left on an exhale. Maybe trying to come into a balance, right hand to heart center. Then slowly both palms come down again, standing split. Inhale, bring your hands to your heart center and exhale back to your high lunge. Inhaling here, exhale, opening to a warrior two. Inhales, reverse the warrior, and exhale, cartwheeling the hands down. The right leg comes back to a three-legged down dog as you bend your knee, open the hip, flipping the dog. Inhaling here, and exhaling. Right palm comes back down, three-legged down dog. Inhale, forward three-legged plank. Option to take your chin balance. Back to chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. On inhale, that left leg comes up. Exhale, left foot between the hands, coming into your high lunge. Inhaling here, exhale, right arm underneath the left. Elbows away from the chest, so you take a back bend. And slowly shifting forward, warrior three with eagle arms. Inhaling here. Exhale, that right leg comes over the left, full eagle. Inhaling here. Exhale, folding forward. The right leg comes back behind you. Palms come down for standing split. Inhale, right hand to right hip. Exhale, twisting and opening to the right. Maybe bringing that left arm to heart center. And bringing both palms down, inhaling here. Exhale, hands to heart center. Slowly coming back to your high lunge. Inhaling here. Exhale, opening to a warrior two. Inhale to reverse the warrior. Exhale, cartwheeling the hands down. Left leg comes to a three-legged down dog as you bend your knee, open your hip, flipping the dog. Left palm comes back down, three-legged down dog. Inhale, forward three-legged plank. Option to take your chin stand. Back to chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Breathing in through your nose. And out through your mouth. Inhale, coming forward into a plank pose. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Breathing in through your nose. And out through your mouth. Inhale, forward into a plank pose. And exhale, coming down to your forearms for forearm plank. Walking your legs in, coming into a dolphin. And staying here, kicking into your forearm balance. Breathing here. And slowly, when you've had enough, you'll come back down. And you'll meet in a child's pose. And slowly coming back into a tabletop. Inhaling, gazing up. Exhale, tucking the toes under, downward facing dog. On an inhale, that right leg comes up. Exhale, the right foot between the hands, coming into your high lunge. Inhaling here. Exhale, hugging the left knee into the heart center. Taking your left piece fingers around your left big toe. Option to straighten the leg out in front or just hold the knee. And option to open the knee or the leg out to the side. Inhaling here. And exhaling. And bending that left knee, right heel into the right hip crease. Left heel into the right hip crease. I think that didn't sound right. Hands to heart center. Slowly bowing forward. Staying here, or option to come into your flying pigeon. And slowly coming out of it. Bringing your hands to your heart center. Taking your left piece fingers around the toe. Sending the leg out to the side. And bringing it forward once more. Releasing the foot, arms up overhead, inhaling here. Exhale, coming into your warrior three. Inhaling here. Exhale, back to your high lunge. Inhaling here. Exhale, palms down, coming back to a plank. Inhaling in plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left foot between the hands, high lunge. Inhaling here. Exhale, hugging, the right knee into the chest. Holding here, or taking the right piece fingers around the right toe. And maybe extending that leg out to the side. And bending the right leg. Right heel into the left hip crease. Hands come to heart center. As you slowly come down. Staying here. Definitely have so much more tightness on this side. Or coming into your flying pigeon. And we've done this before, option tucking the head, coming into your tripod. You can kind of switch around if you want. Reversing the legs. Coming back down. So we all end up on the same side. Right leg. And then bringing your right leg back down. Flying pigeon. Hands come back to heart center. Right fingertips around the right piece fingers. Extending the leg out to the right. And bringing the leg forward. Releasing the right foot, hands up overhead. Inhaling here. And exhaling back to a warrior three. And then back to a high lunge. Inhaling. Exhale, palms come down, back to a plank pose. Inhaling and plank. Exhale, coming over onto the right side for side plank. Stacking leg on top of legs, or maybe taking left piece fingers around the left big toe. We're bringing that left foot into, the right thigh. And from here, bring that left foot between your hands. Inhaling in low lunge. And exhale, straighten that left leg, coming into a pyramid pose. Inhaling here. And exhaling. Left hand to your left hip, twisting and opening to the left. So you're coming into a reverse triangle. Or revolve triangle. Left palm down, inhaling, gazing up. And exhale, folding forward. Bending the left knee, left foot comes back to meet the right. Inhaling here, exhale, shifting over onto the left side. Right arm up overhead. Either staying here or right piece fingers around the right big toe. And slowly that right foot comes between the hands. Inhaling here. Exhale, straighten the right leg, coming into a pyramid pose. Inhaling here. And exhaling. Left hand to the inside of the right foot or to the outside. I can't do the outside. Or to a block. And right hand to your right hip as you twist and open to the right. Revolve triangle. Palm comes down, folding over that right leg. Bending the right knee, coming back to a plank pose. Inhaling in plank. And exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Breathing in through the nose. And sighing it out through the mouth. On an inhale, that right leg comes up. Exhale, the right foot between the hands. Facing the side wall. Coming right into a skandasana, so hands at heart center, shifting your weight over to the left side. Inhale, back up, exhale, shifting. Inhale up, exhale, shifting. Inhale up, exhale, shift. Inhale up and exhale, shift. And inhale up, exhale, folding forward. Maybe holding the outsides of your ankles. Maybe the crown of your head comes down to the mat. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Maybe interlacing your hands coming into a headstand. Inhaling here and exhaling. Maybe scissoring your legs. Playing around with core work and also stretching the hamstrings. And slowly coming down. Palms underneath your shoulders. Inhaling, twisting and opening to the left, and exhaling here. Left palm comes down, inhaling. Exhale, twisting, opening to the right. Palms come down, inhaling as you gaze up. And exhale, folding forward again. This time maybe coming into a tripod. Maybe from a tripod, bending your knees into your triceps, slowly shifting your weight, coming up into a crow. Just completely optional. Maybe coming back down to a tripod, legs coming up. Legs come out, coming back into your wide-legged forward fold. Inhaling, gazing up, and exhale, looking down. And walking your hands over to the right leg. Inhaling as you look up, exhale, folding over that right leg. Bending the right knee, taking a jump switch as you stand straight in your left leg, folding over your left leg. And paralleling your feet to the side wall. Inhaling as you gaze up. And exhale, folding forward. Again, coming into Skandasana, bending the right knee as the left toes come up. Inhaling up, exhale, bend. Inhaling and exhale. Inhale, exhale. And then inhale, exhale, folding forward once again. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And walking your hands over, back to the front, straightening that left leg, coming into a pyramid pose. Bending the left knee, jump switching, straightening the right leg, coming into a pyramid. Bending the right knee, bring the left knee to meet the right, coming into your chair pose, Utkatasana. Inhaling here, exhale, coming all the way down to a seated position, into your boat pose. Inhaling, exhale, half boat. Inhale, boat. Exhale, half boat. Inhale, boat. And exhale. And hug your knees into your chest. Rocking forward and back. And then we'll come into an arm balance. Asavakrasana, so hugging your right shin into your chest and rocking it from side to side. Maybe taking that right knee over the right shoulder, right palm down, left palm down. Inhale up, exhale, extending your legs out to the side. Inhaling here, exhale, maybe trying to take that left leg back around, coming into Ekapada Krinyasana. And then coming back down. I just couldn't get my leg through again. You can come back into Asavakrasana. Taking it to the other side, hugging your left shin into your chest, rocking it forward and back, side to side. Taking your left knee over your left shoulder, left palm down, right palm, crossing your legs, and slowly coming up. And then again, option to come into Ekapada Koundinyasana. Might be able to do it on this side. Yep, there's always one side that's better than the other. Back to Asana Vakrasana. And then back down. Whew. Okay. Soles of the feet together, knees apart. Inhale, gazing up. And exhale, folding over. And getting a deep stretch, your outer hips, inner thighs. And stacking knee on or shin on top of shin. Inhale, looking up. And exhale, folding over the shins. Slowly coming up, switching sides. Left shin on top of the right shin, or whichever one you didn't do. Inhale, back bend. And exhale, folding forward. Slowly coming back up, taking your legs out wide. Inhale, up. Exhale, walking your arms forward. Coming into a wide-legged forward fold. And walking your hands over to the right side. Folding over that right knee. Now walking your hands over to the left side. Inhaling here and exhale, folding over the left knee. And then maybe taking that left leg straight out to the side. You're really stretching this part of your leg, your IT band, shins. Coming into cow's face pose, knee on top of knee. Inhaling up and exhale, folding forward. And slowly coming up, reversing sides. Inhaling up and exhale, folding forward. Taking the outside of that right leg, straightening it out. Taking any final poses that your body needs before you slowly will come down into your Shavasana. Palms facing up, feet hips width apart, splayed out, relaxed. And slowly letting your mind drift away from all the distractions. Being mindful of your breathing as you breathe in and out. Staying here for however long you can or want. Thanks for joining me.